This is the Moto Z4 with the Moto 360 camera. We're going to unbox it, have our first impressions straight ahead. Welcome back, guys. Alex from TECHAERIS.com, and welcome to my backyard. We're going to do a different unboxing today with this Moto Z4, so let's get straight to it. Welcome back, guys. Alex from TECHAERIS.com, and we have the Moto Z4 with the Moto 360 camera included. We're going to unbox this guy. Apologies for the wind if you hear a lot of wind. I'm doing this outside today. Just got back from Omaha, and just didn't want to be in my office and needed to get this unboxing done, as this phone came while I was gone. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this and take a look at it and give you our first impressions. There is the box. Still has this wrapper on it. The back has the Z4 Plus and the Moto 360 camera are included in this box, so let's go ahead and crack it open. Alrighty, guys, we have the Moto Z4 all set up, and our neighbors decided to turn on their pressure washer, so if you hear that in the background, you can thank them. At any rate, yeah, this pretty much looks like all the other Z phones that are out there. Moto's done a really good job of keeping it pretty much stock. There are some small nuances on their skin, but it's not that big of a deal. They got the teardrop camera cut out there, which actually doesn't look too bad. You can see the speaker grill up here, and not sure what this is up here. We'll have to figure that out. There's your SIM card tray. Of course, I showed you your volume button, volume rocker on the other side, headphone jack. I gotta say, it feels exactly like the other Moto phones as far as feel in the hand. The fingerprint sensor is underneath the screen here. It's a little bit higher than the one on the Samsung or on the Meizu. It's a little bit up top here. It's gonna take a little bit of getting used to find it every time. That's the nice thing about physical fingerprint sensors. You know exactly where they are. You can feel them. With this one, I'm having some trouble with it, but I'm sure it'll get better over time. And there's your camera on the back, single camera with a LED flash. And we're going to slap that Moto 360 camera on here real quick and take a look at that. All right, here's your Moto mod, and it's real simple. All Moto mods are the same. Just attach on with those pins right there. Put the camera right there in the hole, and you're ready to go. And it should detect the Moto mod automatically, and it'll tell you what you have. Moto 360 camera. You just added a new interactive way to capture photos and videos in 360 degrees. So this is always going to pop up when you put on a new Moto mod, and it'll walk you through what to do with it. And here at the top, you'll see the cover for the 360 camera, and it says on the package you should always keep that covered. You don't want to scratch the lens or get too much dirt on there. So when not in use, make sure you take the cover off. And here comes the wind. So there's your 360 cam, and as you can see, it's already capturing. So we're going to put that right back on top there, and you can just exit out. You can exit out of there and take the Moto mod off. Just kind of peel it up from the bottom here, and it'll come off, and it tells you to keep the cover on there. Now I have this at full brightness out here outside, and you can see there is some reflectiveness to it, but actually when you're looking at this straight on here outside in the flesh, it's pretty bright. It's got some good brightness. It's easy to see out here outdoors. I'm not in direct sunlight. So right now, as far as I can tell, there's really no difference in feel and look on this phone. It's a really nice phone, just like its predecessors, and I expect it probably going to perform just as well, if not better. I love the matte glass on the back instead of that the shiny glass that was on the previous model. Still has the always-on display, and of course, it probably all comes with the all the bells and whistles that Moto puts on in the settings menu. And I'm sure it has Android 9 Pie. We'll look anyway. I'm sure some of you guys are interested. Android version 9. So we're good there. And yeah, so that is the Moto Z4. with the Moto 360 mod. That is a unboxing, our first impressions. It's still a very nice phone. Moto makes some great phones. They're a little bit underrated, I think. But we will have a full review on the site. Make sure you keep an eye out for that. In the meantime, make sure that you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video. And we'll talk to you guys on the other side.